issued a geomagnetic anomaly statement which will be effective until further notice. Due to current geomagnetic conditions, it is necessary to avoid any of the following types of locations. Places that feel strange, abnormal, or unreal. Doorways with any suspicious qualities, including ones that cause you to feel sick, dizzy, or nauseous. Patches of fog that disrupt electrical equipment. Unusually dark patches of floor, wall, or ceiling. Avoid any of the below activities. Using high current equipment, driving for long distances, exploring old, abandoned, or isolated rooms or buildings. Expect power disruption, communication failure, internet blackouts, and other electrical disruptions. Prepare for long periods of no power or communication. Store important computers and digital information in boxes lined with aluminum foil or chicken. Don't listen to the ones who stirred the hornet's nest. It is time. Prepare yourself for what you know is coming. If you are willing to choose ignorance over righteousness and responsibility, good luck. Stock up on food, water, and medical supplies. Make sure you have a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio.